Hey, Social Cam. Man, this CEO swag thing gets kind of expensive, you know? In the month of October, everybody's birthday. Man, my front desk girl, Anna, who's the stylist also, her birthday was Tuesday. And then we had our new stylist who's joined our team, Erica, who's so amazing. Oh my God, you guys need to come and see her. Erica's birthday was yesterday. So I'm like, okay, and Pastor Brown birthday's today, the CEO swag that's on me, man. You gotta reward people. You gotta think about birthdays. You gotta let people know, at the end of the day, you are important to me. If no one comes through that door, you are important to me. And because you are important to me and I know how to celebrate you, you help people come through the doors each and every day. So I want to say happy birthday to Anna Reeves. We love you so much. KK Spalons. And happy birthday to Erica Roberts. I love you so much too. You're new to the team, but girl, you fit in just perfect. The clients are just loving your aura, everything about you. You just fit our atmosphere. So I'm getting ready to walk in with the GG cupcakes and the Coca-Colas, the little bougie Coca-Colas. I got to kind of bougie it up, It's KK Spalon's staff birthday today. So, check out the Coca-Colas, man. Isn't they like the cutest little thing? Don't even ask me how much I spent in GG's. But, hey, birthdays only come once a year. And again, I want to say happy birthday to everybody who has a birthday in the month of October. The good thing about it, October is harvest month. So I know I'm going to get a return. Bye.